Hey, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artists, and I am here with Kris Sandor, our customer for this beautiful grotto project that we built. It's been a long time in the making, and it's finally done. It looks beautiful. We came here to shoot some photography. So Kris, tell us a little bit about the project and how it went.
We came up with an idea, a design around 2019, kind of revising it over the years. And last year, sometime around spring, I think we had started talking, and I was doing a lot of research. I was super impressed with what I saw online. I just randomly kind of found, who builds potentially waterfalls, grottos in the area. Came across Chuck and your team and the work that you do, and I was floored by the work that you guys do and the projects you've done over the years. So we got to talking. It was really a smooth, seamless process. You were super flexible with everything, easy to talk to, gave very thoughtful insights to my vision, the dream. You really worked well with the budget I was trying to stay within, and everything just was one step after the other, very smooth. I talked to many other people about who could potentially bring this to life, but there is nobody, in my humble opinion, that could have brought my vision to life than you guys. And at the end of all of this, truly, I mean, this is an absolute work of art. I was telling my family and friends that there are many happy moments in a person's life. One, for me personally, is when I graduated medical school, I was ecstatic, I was so happy. And the other truly happy moment in my life that I could honestly say was when this project came to reality and was completed. It's just spectacularly beautiful, Chuck. I mean, I'm so thankful I met you, I got to know you. Everybody on the team was just incredible. I mean, this was truly a stress-free process. I can't say enough wonderful things about your team. This is not just me brown-nosing. I mean, everything about your professionalism from your staff, everybody, the workers, tirelessly, day in, day out working from morning, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning till 8:30 at night, tirelessly working. Cordial if there was something that needed to be changed or done. No questions asked, it was done. And you famously like to say you over-deliver to your customers. I mean, this is beyond my expectations of what you guys delivered. I mean, we had a vision, but I mean, this is beyond that. And this is a true work of art. You know, you have the Michelangelos, the Leonardos, the Da Vincis of the world. You know, this is something that long after we're gone, this is gonna be enjoyed by so many people to come for generations to come. And it's just, I'm so thankful that I met you guys. I got to work with you, and I can only give you the highest recommendations, and I truly recommend to everybody that I hope they get to meet you, work with you, and whatever dream other people have, there's no better crew and person and team that you have, Chuck, here than at Aquatic Artists to make somebody's dream come true. So, wow, I'm truly thankful, really appreciate you.
Thank you. So, well, awesome, that's enough said right there. I can't go, I think it's a mic drop, Meg, right there. Kris just said it all. That was great. Yeah, when you get to make your living doing really creative, cool things for people, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. And then seeing it all come together, wonderful clients who are super involved and collaborate together to kind of bring it to life. Glad you're enjoying it, man. I'm glad you're going to enjoy it for years to come, friends and family and all that stuff.
Thank you so much.